Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about some of the assessment approaches. They are focused listing, memory matrix, and minute paper. Though these names look unfamiliar to you, it is very easy. We can even describe its meaning from the name. So the first thing we are going to look into is focused listing. It will direct the student attention to a relevant term, name, or concept from a particular lesson or class or section, and asks them to list several ideas closely related to the focal point. It is helpful to quickly determine what learners recall as the essential points of the particular topic. So this is focus listing, and we're gonna see how what is the workflow, that is what we should do if you want to implement this strategy in our classroom. So in the pre-class we have to decide whether when we are going to implement this strategy, whether it is before class, during the class, or after the class. And we should, as teachers, we should select a topic or concept that the class has just studied or will study. So we should write that word or phrase at the top of the sheet of the paper as the heading of the related terms critical to the understanding of topic. And we should determine the time and item limit. Based on the time and item limit, we should test it by listing out the words what we can recall related to substitute in our mind. And we should review our list. In the class, we should give the same topic to the students. We should inform them about the time limit, and we should ask the students to share their list, and we should synthesize those result. So this is the things we have to do it in the pre-class, in class, and post-class. The next things we are going to see about the memory matrix. Memory matrix is nothing but a two-dimensional diagram in which the rectangle is divided into rows and columns used to organize information, illustrate relationships. In memory matrix, the row and column headings are given, but the cells will be left empty for the students to be to fill. So it will the students will apply what they have learned through reading or didactic teaching. This approach can strengthen students' rational reasoning. This activity can be done in pair or group. So these are the example for that. Here is a neurochromatical control, and the heading will be given, but everything will be left empty. The cells will be left empty for the students. And the final thing is minute paper. So what is minute paper? It is one of the very commonly used classroom assessment technique. It really does take a minute. While usually used at the end of the class, it can be used at the end of any topic discussion. Its major advantage is that provides rapid feedback on whether the professor's main idea has reached it or not. See the question paper over the right side, or the question paper. So there will be certain questions will be asked to the students. What was the most useful thing you have learned today? What question do you have at the end of the class? So these by using this thing, we can understand what the students have, whether the main concept which is taught by the teacher as well as the main concept which is observed by the students are the same, as well as if they have any doubt also we can identify it. So that is, we have seen about focus listing, memory matrix, and minute paper. We can use the strategies in our classroom for the effective learning teaching practices. Thank you.